What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again for the Power Hour live stream. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. Let's pull up the live chat really quickly, guys. Alrighty then. Alright, let's check out semiconductors here. We're starting to finish a little bit. We did take a huge dive here in SOXL, guys, midday. Huge dive back down towards those low $13 area. But all in all, nice recovery across the board for semiconductors, as well as for the overall market. As you guys can see here, making a slight recovery. Decliners slightly over 3,000, with advancers outweighing it by a ton. Yes. XELA is even drifting even further downward. Let's check out these hot stocks on all stocks 5-minute ranking here currently. Um, Yo, Naomi, what's going on? And we really want to see AMC close above $8 here today. Mullen, on the other hand, seems as though this thing has carried under the 30 cent, guys. We did see that nice run here midday, things reversed. But looking here at auto manufacturers, they are still doing pretty well overall, as you guys can see here today. Wasn't the case yesterday, though. What we are waiting for is that presidential announcement, guys. Waiting for DWAC to actually take off. As you guys can see here, drifting back under 7% here on the day. 25.57 low. MMAT, guys, looked great across that $2 mark here. But we did have a major rejection at the $1.98. Very, very tough move. Right now, checking out those best performing industries right here. HUYA and 10 Cent Music. Let's check out APE, guys. We got MMAT was nice. Yeah, you can say that again. We preparing to jump those $2 levels in MMAT here tomorrow early. If you're new to the live stream, don't forget to smash that like button on your way in, guys. It really does help the channel grow. If you do want to see the channel grow in any shape, fashion, or form, simple task to do, smash that like button. Currently got 6 thumbs up and 26 people watching, guys. If that is you, don't forget to smash that like button. Currently, right now, SYTA made its fall sub 20 cent levels. This thing just killed it. STAX. It looks like a fairly slow finish here today for us, guys. MEGL, like I was saying, this thing here. Uh, I think MEGL is going to see another pop here tomorrow, guys. Keep this one in your watch list for sure. TBLT does have more room to continue to drift to the downside. You guys can see here down 1821 currently. I strongly believe that TBLT will be drifting under $2.80 before the end of the week. RBT is still falling as well, guys. Far as what to expect after the Donald Trump makes his announcement here today, guys, prepare to see the market go in a uproar tomorrow. Um, it always happens, especially when a big name in the Republican Party makes that presidential run announcement. Um, we tend to see favoritism on Wall Street for sure, guys. Wall Street tends to have huge expectations for these announcements. So, Luna Classic, man, I don't like it at all. Yo, Eric, what's going on? Shout out to those that did come out to today's live stream. Currently got 12 thumbs up and 31 people watching. If you forgot to smash that like button on your way in, don't forget to do it now, guys. Let's see if we can get this thing over 50 thumbs up before the live stream is over. BTOG seems as though they moved 5%. More than likely a lot order on that. Um, Semiconductors are starting to drift slightly upward here before the close. Like I said before, SOXL for that $15 price target here, guys. Like I said, major rejection here at 1444 today. We hit 1444 a few times here, guys. 1444. We also hit it here at 10:27 a.m. Central Time this morning. We hit that 1444 major rejection at that as well, guys. So we do have a major wall here at 1444 for SOXL. But once we jump that, guys, it's more than likely we're going to drift way beyond that $15 price target that we do have set here for SOXL on the week. So be looking out for that to reach and breach here pretty soon, guys. Any news on AMC? No news yet on AMC. Um, no major news on AMC. Just slight filler news. That's it. That's all currently. What we're going to take a brief look at is the short sale data. As you guys can see here, Friday and Monday, we do see stack short positions close around that 11% on that short sale ratio, with 13.55% being the lead on Friday's trade. It's more than likely. We take a brief look and check out this day chart, guys. As you guys can see here, Monday's positions more than likely is carried over here on today's trading due to the price action that we see here on Friday. Shorts didn't get too much sway to close those positions for a gain or add to those positions, guys, in the hope for maximizing profits. So if you ask me, guys, AMC is stacking its short positions for a wonderful short cover. Depending on price action here tomorrow, it's more than likely we're going to see a nice total short count for sure, seeing as though that the volume is at 38.92 million here, guys. A fairly high volume trading day for AMC, if you ask me, coming off of Monday's trading 53 million and here on Friday 43 million. Now you guys know for a fact that low volume for AMC is a sub 25 million, and as you guys can see here, we were comfortably around those levels in the beginning of November. Second half seems as though that this thing is starting to get its volume back in order. One killer for AMC has always been its volume. Not too many people are willing to hold AMC, Levi. Randolph wants to talk about Mullen yet again. Like I said, guys, we're not so concerned about Mullen day-to-day share price at all. It's more about um, it's more about the um, corporate actions that's being made for sure. Mullen has to focus on its prediction capabilities as well as distribution, and we see that they're putting their best foot forward over in the EU, trying to capture as much market share as possible. And with them making that EU move, guys, that is a very, very, very strong move for Mullen. Not only that, acquiring GM's two former GM executive members, guys, will in fact put Mullen on the right path to success as far as the autos manufacturers industry goes. And we're not just talking about EV, guys. This EV market is a new thing, especially for these former GM executives. Okay, but it's looking as though that Mullen may be forming a solid partnership with General Motors here, guys. It is unfolding under our noses. Let's check out the live chat really quickly. Don't forget, guys, smash that like button. The likes are starting to build up here, guys. Currently got 19 thumbs up with 31 people watching. Currently, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Like I said before, we are shooting for 50 likes here on this live stream before the live stream is over, guys. So with your help, it will be easy to achieve. Let's check out IDEX. As you guys can see here, this last 4 days of trading have been gradual gain here for the stock. Just in 4 days alone, the stock has turned over 31.64% gain. Okay, but if we take a brief look and check out our interpretations of indicators, guys, if we check a look at the day, of course, we're going to see a lot of oversold. Uh, Overbought indicators for sure. One level of the RSI is currently overbought here. If we take a brief look and check out the minute, no obvious signal on that with no bearish indicators at all on the 1 minute. IDEX really does have a great chance to break past that 30-cent levels here before after market close, guys. This thing is heating up for a nice run here towards the end of the day. SE still sitting around those levels. HUYA seems as though that it just made another stride here, guys. Is anyone in this play? Let me know in the live chat below. Here on the 5-minute chart, looks as though that this thing is ready to take its day high at that $3.22 level, guys. This thing looks as though that it is ready to break it before the close here today. Let's see, live chat. Yeah, all right, Naomi, come on, peeps. Let's smash that like button, guys. PHUN currently should have seen a drawback as well here. Just in anticipation of that announcement, which should be coming out 8 p.m. here on Rumble, guys. They will be matter of fact, let's check out Rumble. Thank you, Randolph. It really does help the channel, guys. Whenever you leave comments. Rumble stock. Let's check this thing out on the day. Rumble is one of those Trump favorites as well, but I do not think it will see as much gain as DWAC or PHUN for sure. Let's take a brief look and check out Tesla. We do see a positive signal here on the day for Tesla, guys. Two levels of the RSI is currently oversold here, which is pointing to a bullish continuation here on the day for Tesla. But guys, like I said before, I like Tesla share price under $1. I mean, $180 as far as acquiring any Tesla shares, guys. Tesla does have a great chance to actually drift back under those $180 levels here this month, second half of November. So be looking out for that entry price point. GGE still a good buy, yes. Green Giant Energy, I do believe, is still in a great position to be buying. Be careful with Mullen. Their European deal is not as it seems. Nobody in Ireland, I believe, even know who Mullen is working with their own country. Not at all known just yet. But I do believe those samples here at the end of the month will change the likes of that. Um, with Mullen distribution deal over there in the EU. I'm pretty sure the company that they are dealing with may be able to capture some of that market share over there in the EU since they are a EU based company. Rather than Mullen actually trying to take on that task by themselves head first. SONM needs CPR. Let's check that out really quickly. SONN traced here, volume on the day not so high, 431,000, but that is usual for this play as well. Checking out the day chart on this thing, drifting from that $3, seems as though that we came across a dead phase here these last 2 days of trading. And one thing consolidation builds is pressure, guys. Let's take a brief look and check out the position cost distribution here currently on SONN. And as you guys can see here, degree overlap is wonderful, but that profit ratio is terrible, guys. Sounds like this thing can actually drift on that consolidation range to the downside for sure. Semiconductors do not want to close at that 525 like we were hoping here today. Let's take a brief look and check out those hot stocks here currently. See if we can find a quick entry on a nice easy money play. That's already out of the way here. Volume extreme. This thing. Not enough volume for my liking. What's the play on MMAT? MMAT looks as though that we will be crossing that $2 price point here tomorrow, guys. So strap in. We are on the way to the promised land for sure. What about weed, Tilray? I'm not too big on the marijuana stocks. I feel as though that I'm a little bit late to that party for sure, if you ask me. Um, I feel as though I'm a little bit late to that party, guys. I feel as though that industry is already inflated here currently. Um, it was my birthday. Shout out to Delman. His birthday was yesterday, guys. Happy birthday, man. CSE. C is just sitting there as well. Starting to see a drift to the downside here towards the end of the close for us here in Power Hour, guys. As far as the overall market, we did catch that midday slam that was devastating across the board. Took a heavy slam, took a heavy slam. Don't forget, guys, to smash that like button on your way in. If you're new to the live stream, guys, we currently got 35 people watching and 31 thumbs up. So it's at least 4 of you guys that forgot to smash that like button. Like I said before, guys, we are shooting for 50 likes in the live stream before the live stream ends, guys. So with your help, we can achieve that, guys. So let's go. MMTLP. Looks as though that this thing may be seeing $12 this month, guys. $12 this month for MMTLP, one of our Discord favorites. Um, Killing it, guys. Killing it, killing it, killing it. Let's check out our message alerts really quickly. LYT, Boris still doing its thing. IDEX still sitting around that consolidation range. FFIE is tanking here on the day. Looks as though that this thing may be drifting sub 47-cent levels here before aftermarket close, guys. This thing is still looking bearish for a bearish continuation here in the aftermarket hours. Let's check out AMC on the fly really quickly. AMC has started to pick up heavily here, guys. Fourth quarter of trading, we did see a pickup here in AMC. Not only that, guys, it seems as though that AMC may be closing $8 after all. And like I was telling you guys, that is a big price point for AMC. Yes, we have drifted above $8 a few times this week and last week, guys, but closing above $8 is key for AMC here today. Let me know your thoughts in the live comment section below. And like I said before, guys, if you're new to the live stream, don't forget to smash that like button on your way in. It really does help the channel grow. And we will continue to do these live streams 10:30 a.m. Central Time, as well as 2:15 Central Time p.m. guys, for Power Hour Monday through Friday. You can catch me here, same place, same time. AMC, like I said, $8 here on the close will be phenomenal. Carvana, that drift to the down slope. Like I said, guys, this thing wasn't going to last at all. Carvana is facing even more downwards pressure. I do believe that Vroom may be able to capture some of that market share for sure. What's going on with Carvana? Uh, Vroom seems as though that this thing is starting to take the lead here, guys. Even though that the whole business online car shopping business model is starting to fade away. Vroom is starting to catch some of that market share that Carvana is leaving behind. Needs a strong 850, huh? McGee, I'll take that. MMTLP, $30 to $60 price points. That is a huge one. You know what, Sandy? We'll talk about AMC once again since you just came to the building. Yeah, but AMC, like I said, we hoping to close that $8 here in AMC. That is the goal here today. FENG. Let's see what's going on with Fing, guys. Fing just had a nice break here. 5% jump just in that 1 minute alone, totaling in at 6%. But the volume was only 509. More than likely, a lot of orders were pushed this thing up. A lot of orders can actually catch you at the wrong place at the wrong time for sure. Thinking the stock that is showing a bullish trend is just a lot ordering before you know it wipes out those gains quickly, guys. So be looking out for those lot orders for sure. Lot orders will get you messed up. 35 thumbs up. Let's go, guys. We got 15 more likes to our road to 50 likes here in the live stream. And we have 5 minutes left to go. Can we do it, guys? I know the Making Easy Money family can achieve it. Why? Because we grow with each and every video, guys. Don't forget to share this video if you are a StockTwits user. If you're an avid StockTwits user, guys, make sure to share my videos on StockTwits anytime you get a chance. That also really goes a long way, and it will be highly appreciated. PEGY, guys, seems as though I believe PEGY may see one of those breaks to the upside here this after market hours. Keep this one in your watch list for sure, guys. Bid volume currently is looking nice here in PEGY. Not only that, guys, the volume here is incredible as well here for the finish on today's trading. So be looking out for PEGY this after market hours. XELA thoughts. XELA has a great chance to continue to drop, guys. Like I said before, this was just a quick get in and get out move. XELA may be falling under 24 cents early here tomorrow, guys. XELA. Let's check out the day chart. This thing was just on a nice run here on Monday and Friday. Ultimately seeing huge reversal here yesterday's after market hours. Still getting hit over the head, guys. Profit ratio here on today's trading shouldn't be much for sure. Let's check that out. Check out that position card distribution. Profit ratio is sitting at slightly under 20%. Here in XELA, that is a concern for sure. Turnover ratio isn't too bad, 36%, but on a dropping day like this is a huge sign of a just straight full flag sell-off here in XELA, guys. The gains were good while they were getting it, right? But currently, let's check out SOXL on our way out really quickly. We want to see this thing close at $14 here, guys. I do believe that SOXL is going to see a nice run here tomorrow as well. But this thing is poised for a nice retracement. And once that shows itself, guys, I'm going to be putting a little cash in SOXS to reap those benefits on the downward pressure that the semiconductor industry will be facing here towards the end of this week, guys. Stocks don't only go up, they also go down, but we know how to play the semiconductor industry to the T, guys. So make sure you check out these two. We're still waiting for our 15 dollar price target in SOXL, which we should be reaching and breaching here pretty soon this week, guys. I'm looking for that $15 price target here tomorrow. So far, though, checking out the close here, guys. Intraday, we do see a nice high numbers on both active sale and active buy, with the active sale currently outweighing the active buy here. We did see a turnaround on that here towards the close for sure, with the active buy trailing, well, with the active sale trailing all day of the active buy, and we're starting to see a reverse here on that towards the end of the day, guys. So, with that being said, AMC, we want to see this thing close at that $8 and above. Mullen stock, like I told you guys before, we're not focused on the day-to-day share price here in this company at all. We are headed towards Texas for our showcase here in Mullen, and prepare to hear more order reserves for the Mullen 5 off of the Texas showcase. DWAC, guys, we are just waiting for presidential announcement, which will be announced after market close. So look for DWAC to see a nice breakout pre-market here tomorrow, as well as PHUN for those penny stock traders out there, guys. PHUN will be the stock for you. So make sure you guys have that in your watch list as well. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to let you guys go, and may